Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Edwin Coin in Trust Wallet. First, make sure your Trust Wallet is installed and properly configured on your device. You'll need to have some Binance Coin, or BNB, in your wallet to cover both the purchase and any associated network fees. It's important to have enough BNB to complete the transaction smoothly. Next, open the dApps browser directly within your Trust Wallet. This browser allows you to interact with decentralized applications. From there, you'll want to go to a decentralized exchange, such as PancakeSwap. Once on the exchange, use the search function to find Edwin Coin, often by pasting its specific contract address. Now, connect your Trust Wallet to the decentralized exchange. This step links your wallet to the platform, allowing transactions. Choose BNB as the currency you are swapping from and Edwin Coin as the currency you wish to receive. Carefully input the amount of BNB you want to exchange for Edwin Coin, ensuring it aligns with your investment. Finally, review all the transaction details presented on the screen, paying close attention to the slippage tolerance and any associated network fees. Once you are satisfied, confirm the swap directly within your Trust Wallet application. After the transaction processes, check your wallet to ensure your new Edwin Coin balance is correctly displayed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.